Hello everybody, this is Dr. Monty Leabash, acupuncturist for Del Sol Community Wellness. I'm sure a lot of you are experiencing stress and anxiety due to the COVID-19 pandemic, and some of you may be looking for alternative, more natural ways to deal with that stress and anxiety. So today I'm going to talk about how can acupuncture address anxiety. So from a traditional Chinese medicine perspective, we are looking at your liver and your heart energies. So liver tends to get a little bit agitated, may start acting up, and so it may take away or overact on your heart energy. So a basic treatment would be we want to soothe that liver and we want to strengthen that heart. And we would choose points on the liver channel, which is to my right, and points on the heart, which is on my left, depending on what other things you may be coming in for, or what your symptoms may be. We may use different organ energies for your treatment. So from a physiological perspective, we're going to be talking mostly about the nervous system. So your autonomic nervous system affects so many different organs and tissues throughout the body, everywhere from your cardiovascular to your digestion to your endocrine system and your blood vessels, and can be further divided into your sympathetic and parasympathetic. Sympathetic is your fight or flight response to stress. In a way, it is like the liver energy, in that we want to calm it down, we want to soothe it. Our parasympathetic nervous system is our rest and digest, or our relaxation part of the nervous system. So like the heart, we would want to kind of tonify the parasympathetic so that you would feel more relaxed. So 3 ways that research says acupuncture calms the sympathetic nervous system. So heart rate variability is just the different heart rates that you may read throughout the day. You can track if you have like a Fitbit or an Apple Watch, and you'll notice that heart rate does increase at times of stress. So if you're coming in for a treatment and you're feeling very stressed out and your heart rate's up, the acupuncture will signal the sympathetic nervous system to go to the heart and slow down that heart rate. And so you'll notice that your heart rate will kind of more relax at the end of an acupuncture treatment. So as far as the hypothalamus and the endocrine system, a lot of us may know about cortisol being released at times of stress. A lot of cortisol release can lead to things such as adrenal fatigue. And so the hypothalamus is kind of our king gland. It sends hormones to other glands to release other hormones, and in times of stress, the hypothalamus can be overworked. So this acupuncture will tell sympathetic nervous system to back it off with the hypothalamus and decrease all those stress hormone released. And so the last one, our endorphin release. The acupuncture will send signals up to the brain, tell the brain, release these endorphins. Endorphins are our feel-good chemicals in our body. And then with more endorphin release, we'll kind of have more of a euphoric demeanor, and feelings and stress and anxiety should be less. And so these are 2 very interesting research articles about the effects of acupuncture on anxiety disorders. And so this was just a very quick introduction to the effect that acupuncture can have with anxiety. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing everybody back in the office soon.